Hello guys, I welcome you to my channel AM. Hello guys, I welcome you to my channel AM Graphics. In this tutorial, I'm going to tell you the most valuable stock brokers in Nigeria, where you start investing your money. And all these are the most valuable investment. And we have Afri investment. You know, in this Afri investment, there are investment where you can start investing your money with a little, with just 10,000 naira. You start investing for your future. And then Afri investment, their security is very secure, and they have many their offices in Lagos and Port Harcourt, Abuja, Odisha. Just start trading in 25 minutes. All these are most reliable stockbrokers in Nigeria, and we have ARM Stock Trade. ARM Stock Trade is a stock trade platform which, it's a stock trade platform which provide round stock clock. They also invest, you focus in US dollar, US stock, all these stock that you can buy. They are most reliable company in Nigerian, and all these are the stock, and their security is very solid, and image, stock, feature, everything in this thing. And then we also have the bamboo investment trade US stock from Nigerian. All these are listed under NASDAQ, and when you invest in dollar, you have to invest in dollar. Let me tell you the meaning of this one, what it means. That if you have your money in dollar, one thing I want you to know is that when you save in dollar, your money is safe, because dollar helps you to preserve your money in inflation. For instance, when dollar keeps rising and naira devaluating, you know what this means. When you invest in bamboo, your money will be in dollar. Even though you don't invest, you steal your money with them. All these stockbrokers are most reliable, where that is all we are doing here, and we make money with them, and it's for futuristic. And the last one here I will let you understand is Chaka investment. Chaka is an investment that gives room for local investment and use investment. When you have local investments, if you invest in US, you have dollar account, and if you invest in Nigerian, you have naira account. They have various stocks, bonds, EFF, and over 40,000 assets from US, UK, Nigerian, and China, and they operate over 40 countries. So Shaka investment, it gives rooms, like let's miss as a instance now. For instance, if you want to invest in Jumia, you want to invest in Coca-Cola, all these investment in Nigeria, you can invest and have your local account, which is to be using naira to what you naira. So if you want to invest in foreign, maybe US stock, China, UK, all these things, you have to go, and then they are reliable stockbrokers where you can invest your money with them. So all these are reliable stockbrokers in Nigeria that I have tested, and I see them. They are reliable, that when you invest your money, you cannot blame yourself. So ladies and gentlemen, if you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and you stay tuned for our next video. Peace.